In this course, I will be using Microsoft Excel 365. To find out which Excel version are you using, you can simply click on File and then go to Account and click About Excel. For example, in this laptop, I'm using 365, while for my other laptop, I'm using Office 2019. You might be using a different version than what I am using, but as long as you are using one of the more recent versions, you should be able to implement and practice everything we are going to discuss in this course. The layout and naming conventions may be very slightly different, but the fundamentals remain the same. Some of the formulas are available only in the newer versions. In case you come across a problem statement in this course where the formulas used are not supported in the version you are using, you can drop in a comment and I will try to provide you with an alternate solution as soon as possible. Before we start with the actual course, I want to stress that a problem in Excel can be solved by n different methods. As long as you are getting the right answer and performance and readability is not an issue, you are good.